Imagine walking through a field where a cow is grazing. It's not just eating any plant it encounters. Herbivores like cows, giraffes, and goats are extremely selective about what they eat. This pickiness is essential to their survival because many plants contain toxins that could harm them if consumed in large amounts. Interestingly, humans could benefit from learning this lesson. With the rise of plant-based diets, it's important to recognize that not all plants are created equal. Understanding plant toxicity can help us make better, more informed dietary choices. Herbivores are experts in plant selection. Over millions of years, they have evolved to navigate the complex world of plant life, carefully choosing what's safe to eat. Many plants produce toxins as a defense mechanism to prevent animals from eating them. Herbivores have adapted by developing highly specialized diets, allowing them to consume the plants their digestive systems are equipped to handle while avoiding others that could be dangerous. For example, cows primarily graze on specific grasses and are well equipped to digest cellulose, but they avoid many types of leaves that could be harmful. Similarly, giraffes specialize in eating leaves from thorny acacia trees, plants that produce bitter-tasting compounds meant to deter other animals. Their selectivity is a survival strategy. If they eat the wrong plants, they risk poisoning or nutrient deficiencies. This concept holds a crucial lesson for humans too. Just because a plant is edible doesn't mean it's always good for us. Not all plants are safe. While it's easy to assume that plant-based foods are inherently healthy, many plants contain toxins or anti-nutrients designed to protect them from being eaten. While small amounts of these compounds may not cause immediate harm, consuming large quantities over time can lead to health issues. Some common plant toxins include oxalates, which are found in spinach, almonds, and beets. Oxalates can bind to calcium in the body, potentially leading to kidney stones or nutrient deficiencies if consumed in excess. Lectins, found in legumes and grains, can cause digestive issues and interfere with nutrient absorption, especially if these foods are not properly cooked or prepared. Phytates, found in seeds and whole grains, can block the absorption of important minerals like zinc and iron, making it harder for the body to access essential nutrients. Humans, like herbivores, can be affected by these compounds. In some cases, long-term exposure to high levels of plant toxins can contribute to inflammation, digestive issues, and even chronic disease. Understanding which plants contain these toxins and learning how to prepare them properly can help us make healthier dietary choices. Selectivity is just as important in human diets. While plant-based foods can offer many health benefits, we need to be mindful of the risks associated with certain plants and how to minimize them. For instance, grains and legumes are often promoted as healthy staples in plant-based diets, but they contain lectins and phytates, which can make it difficult for the body to absorb important nutrients. Traditional preparation methods like soaking, sprouting, and fermenting can help reduce these anti-nutrients, making these foods safer and more digestible. Similarly, while spinach is considered a nutritional powerhouse, its high oxalate content can be problematic, especially for people prone to kidney stones. Consuming a variety of lower oxalate greens like kale or collard greens can provide similar nutrients without the potential downsides. Being selective doesn't mean avoiding all plants. It means understanding which ones are best for your body and how to prepare them to minimize any potential risks. This approach helps prevent the accumulation of harmful toxins while still allowing you to benefit from the many positive aspects of plant-based foods. What can humans learn from the careful eating habits of herbivores? One key takeaway is that variety and preparation are crucial. Herbivores don't eat the same plants every day, and they rely on specific digestive adaptations to process their food. Humans, too, benefit from eating a varied diet that includes a mix of plant and animal products, along with understanding how to maximize the safety and nutritional value of the foods we consume. Here are a few strategies we can adopt from herbivores to make better plant choices. Diversify your plant sources. Just as herbivores consume a wide variety of plants, humans should aim to eat a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, and grains. This helps prevent overexposure to any one type of plant toxin and ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Choose low-toxin plants. Some plants are naturally lower in toxins than others. For example, certain fruits and vegetables are easier to digest and less likely to contain harmful compounds. Focus on nutrient-dense foods with lower toxin risks, like berries, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables. Use traditional preparation methods. Many cultures have long recognized the importance of preparing plant foods in ways that reduce their toxin levels. Soaking, sprouting, and fermenting grains and legumes can help neutralize anti-nutrients like phytates and lectins, making them easier to digest and more nutritious. Consider individual sensitivities. Just as different herbivores are adapted to eat specific plants, individual humans may react differently to certain foods. Pay attention to how your body responds to different plant-based foods and adjust your diet accordingly. For example, if you experience digestive discomfort after eating legumes or grains, you might need to modify how you prepare them or reduce your intake. In conclusion, selectivity is key to a healthy diet. Herbivores have evolved to thrive on specialized diets, carefully selecting plants their bodies can digest while avoiding those that could be harmful. Humans, too, can benefit from this selective approach when it comes to plant-based foods. Not all plants are safe to eat in large quantities, and many contain toxins that require careful preparation and consumption. By being more mindful of which plants we eat and how we prepare them, we can make smarter choices that support our health. Just as herbivores rely on their instincts and adaptations to navigate the plant world, we can rely on knowledge and preparation to make our diets safer and more balanced.